In this video, I'll show you how to fix input delay on your Ubuntu system. This issue is often caused by the terminal trying to check for something called hostname resolution. Let's go through the steps to make your terminal respond faster. First, open your terminal. Type this command to check your hostname. Hostname. Now run this to edit the hosts file. sudo nano /etc/ hosts. Find the line that starts with 127.0.1.1. Make sure your hostname is written after it. Like this, 127.0.1.1 my computer name. If it's missing, add it. After that, save it with Ctrl+O, press Enter, then exit with Ctrl+X. Next, you'll want to check your shell settings. If you use the default GNOME terminal, it usually runs bash or zshrc. If you're using bash, open this file, nano-/.bashrc, scroll to the bottom, and check if there are any commands that take time to run when a new terminal opens, like complex prompts or scripts. Try commenting them out by adding a hash symbol at the start of the line. Then save and exit. If you're using zshrc, open this file instead. nano-/.zshrc, do the same cleanup here. Remove or comment out anything that could slow down the shell. Save and exit. Now restart your terminal. You should notice that typing is now much more responsive. That's it. Your terminal should now feel much faster and easier to use. That's the simplest way to fix slow typing in the terminal. Thanks for watching.